Look no further than the 2014 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Get into this smooth, spacious, well-equipped Sonata. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.